Ayan guys, mayroon ng assistant yung aking friend na chef. Ayan, si Mr. Basir. So, this is another chef. Now we are cooking for the our snack. So look at that, see? And we'll be to show it to you another one. Ayan, see? Executive chef also. From Bangladesh, yeah. From Bangladesh, yeah, see? See, professional cook. Ayan, see? All professional cook. So, now finish for this. This is our place. Yeah. So, now is no electric. That's why it's little dark here and it's so hot here. Sorry. Yeah. So, yes. So, yan ang ating. Meron na, sir. Naglagay yung ano mo, yung assistant chef.
Kalau mo balik ni chef kami, mas kena. Mati kami daw.
Oh, yeah. So, yeah. Ayan. Ang lapit ng chef namin ngayon. See?
Video. Ada number 1, Butcher. Ayo, ya.
Butcher, ha? Dapat yung nagluto yan. Ayan. Ganito ang sitwasyon dito sa kitchen. Actually, normal pa to. Kung ito ay regular time, daming ano rito, nagsisigawan. Tingnan natin ginagawa ng ating chef. Ang lupit ang chef natin. Instant mix. Ayan. So, ayan ang gagawin natin. Ayan.
Ay, wah. Very good.
Magluto ka ng sayo. Very good daw. Gusto niya isabay pa sa'yo, Brad, yung kanyang itlog. Ang lupit ang luto niya. Saan ka pa? Ang hirap magluto ng ganyan. Ito lang chef ko naman.
Mahirap lutuin.
Yan ang pinakamahirap lutuin. Takot pa si chef sa kawali. Tingnan mo, laki ng kanyang laki ng kanyang sense.